Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use multi-window and split screen on the HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So if you want to do multitasking by having multiple apps open at once, you can use multi-window or split screen. And to do multi-window, the first thing that we're going to do is open up one of the apps that we want to split screen. So I'm going to use Notepad, for example. And then all we need to do is just go to the recently opened tab, this one right here, and then tap on this little icon next to the app that we want to use. So this icon right here. And there's going to be now a little window that you can use. So it's all functional. It's all functional, and the screen in the background is also functional. So you can do both apps at the same time. But if you want to have two apps open like this, so one here and one here, all you need to do is open the second app that you want to multitask. So let's do, for example, YouTube. And all you need to do is just select the floating window app and drag it to the drag it like this. So click on this little bar and hold on it, and then drag it to the top or the bottom, just like that. Now you have two apps open at the same time. You can resize the apps, so you can make one smaller and one bigger, and both the apps are functional at the same time, as you can see. And that is pretty much it. This is how you use floating window and split screen. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.